Alright guys, what's up? 2021 KTM 300XC just came through the door. I had a lot of people request a walk around of this bike. I don't really understand why, because the bike's the same and I've done walk arounds showing the new graphics, and I don't know, but people insisted on seeing this and the 300XCW, so I'm going to give the people what they want. People have spoken, and I shall answer. Alright, so this bike pretty much gets the same list of changes that the 125 got that I went over in the other video. It gets the updated throttle assembly roller in there. The suspension is updated. There is a few new pieces inside the air spring side of the XACT, and there's some valving updates, and also they're using some different seals in the linkage that are supposed to be lower friction. So those are the only new updates, but it is a sharp bike, and I can only tell you guys this: if anybody wants one of these, you need to get with your local KTM dealer right now and put down a deposit, because there could possibly be a shortage of these bikes this year with everything that's happened. Get you one on hold. It's been a crazy year. The KTM factory was shut down all of April and May. So there probably is going to be some bike shortages. Dealers have no idea what they're going to get. Sweet looking machine though. All right, thanks. I'll see you guys in the next one.